Hey everyone, if you're seeing console errors in Bolt AI, whether your app isn't working properly, features are failing, or error messages appear in the browser console, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Bolt AI console errors in 2026. First, identify the exact error message. Open your browser's developer tools and check the console tab. The error text often provides important clues about what's causing the problem. Next, refresh the page and test the project again. Temporary loading issues can sometimes trigger console errors that disappear after a reload. Another common fix is reviewing recent changes. If the error started after adding new code, dependencies, or features, try reverting those changes temporarily to identify the source of the problem. Check for syntax errors in your code. Missing brackets, quotation marks, semicolons, or incorrect function calls can generate console errors and break application functionality. If the error involves missing files, verify that all project assets, scripts, images, and configuration files are located in the correct directories and referenced properly. And that's how to fix Bolt AI console errors in 2026. In most cases, reviewing error messages, checking recent changes, verifying dependencies, and correcting configuration issues will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.